However, it's important to be cautious when seeking out information online and to make sure that you are getting information from credible sources. Some reliable sources of medical information online include Medline Plus, Mayo Clinic, and WebMD. Number 9. Real-time suggestions and corrections. If you're concerned about your health, it's important to seek out professional medical advice. Your healthcare provider can provide personalized recommendations and guidance based on your individual health status and medical history. If you have any concerns or questions about your health, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider. In conclusion, the erythrocyte sedimentation rate, or ESR, is an important blood test that can provide valuable information about your overall health status. By following practical tips such as practicing good hygiene, getting vaccinated, and staying active and eating a healthy diet, you can protect yourself and others from illness. It's also important to stay informed about the latest research and guidelines related to your health. Seek out reliable sources of medical information and seek professional medical advice when needed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this with your close ones and share your thoughts in the comments below. I hope you found this video informative and helpful, and you enjoyed the video. If you're still struggling or have some questions, no worries. Check out this video for everything you need. Don't give up, keep learning and growing.